Aloha, and welcome to this brief tutorial on citing sources. Many of us know we need to use sources in our writing, but we might not know how to do this. There are basically two ways to integrate sources into your writing. You can either paraphrase or directly quote an author. The most important lesson to remember is you need to cite when both paraphrasing or directly quoting a source within your writing. So let's talk a little bit more about citing. A citation is information placed within a quotation mark that is at the end of a sentence, and this information informs readers where the sentence was taken or borrowed from. Citation should be placed after every instance of a borrowed source. A citation should include an author's last name and a year of publication. Here's an example. I have a book titled Living with Aloha and a Sense of Place. It was written by Kim Choi in 2007. Now, to create an in-text citation, we would need to use quotation marks, as well as the author's last name and the year of publication. This is what a citation would look like if we were citing or quoting from this particular author and this particular book. Here's a sentence that was directly quoted from the book. It says, "Hawaii embodies the spirit of aloha, but it is up to an individual to find and embrace the aloha." Since this sentence was directly quoted from the book, we would need to include an in-text citation. And here's an example of that in-text citation placed at the end of the sentence. Again, we have the author's last name followed by a year of publication. Here's another sentence. Now this sentence is actually paraphrasing the previous sentence. Let's read it. Aloha is an important part of Hawaii, and for many people, in order to gain a sense of aloha, they must first find it so they can adopt it. Again, because this is a paraphrase from a book, we need to include an in-text citation. In order to do so, we would use the same format as a direct quote. We'd include the author's last name followed by the year of publication. That would be placed within quotation marks and located at the very end of the sentence.